So everything's going great. We're kind of in the last stretch of everything. We've pretty much got most of the exterior completed. It's pretty spectacular to see it get to this point. You know, we took a lot of inspiration from the neighborhood. This neighborhood is really kind of an old school Vegas rural agricultural area. We wanted to keep consistency through the home. You'll notice that when you go through the home is the same stone is inside and outside, the same colors and textures, and so we wanted it to feel more like a home rather than a show home. Interior, the cabinets are coming out spectacular. Woodmode has done a great job in providing us some beautiful cabinets that are really unique. We are starting on all the tile floor, and we're kind of starting to set recessed cans, so things are going pretty smooth. Everybody's really excited to see the Kingspan metal on the exterior. It's really unique, new application. The exterior stone, we're getting tons of compliments on the design of that, how we installed it in the dry stack configuration. Environmental Stoneworks is awesome to work with. Their whole crew, the installer's been spectacular. And so this was kind of a great collaboration. You know, they've been really receptive. It took a little while to get the color figured out, a lot of back and forth, and that's what's been great about working with them, is they have really stepped up to help us deliver the look and the feel that we really want with this house. Everybody that's been part of the home has been spectacular. We had this vision of creating this rustic, modern, organic composition. And everybody's really seeing it. I think everybody's really buying into how unique this house is. And it's great to see all these pieces that, you know, were all single elements become a whole in the home.